Honorable Sarofeld, you know, there is a campaign which had been going on called Fear Women.
Bwa nyuma y'omuhwezi wa speaker Thomas Tayibwa kuruga yakagamba hanshonga ya DNA eriyo neteganisa makamingi omu ihanga minister w'eby'amakuru yahamiza abanya-Uganda ngo government eriyo neza kutandika kushwijuma amarwariro hamwe n'ebyoma bine ebiri kukora aha DNA kureba byaba biri aha mutindo byino obukugo burikumara okukora hanshonga egi nk'omuringo gumwe gw'obutaretaho butabanguko omu maka.
Leadership of the Commissioner for Laboratories, the Allied Health Professional Council, and the Uganda Medical Dental Practitioners Council held a meeting with the various laboratory owners and managers, and an assessment is being carried out to check are these laboratories accredited, are the clinics accredited, because it could be possible that people are running to clinics and labs which are not accredited by the Ministry of Health and could be giving even false results.
Na bwa nyuma abanyishengero bagamba hanshonga egi bari kugira ngo omuntu okutwara omwana ha DNA n'abayine ekigendererwa kandi abandi bagira ngo omwana wo kuboine niwo wawe.
Ministry y'amarwaro erijeyo eyoreke abantu ayo bakubasa kucebereza bagafuna results ezikire. Imirundi mingi abo kwenda kucebeza abana aidha tibakwenda kureberera abana ninga nibenda kuronda property yo kwiba kosa abana abo. So baba ministry takikozireho roja kushanga n'oburwaro rwito bw'ombyaro obwabwizi bwera kuri obwa health center 3 nabo buriyo n'ubwiba abantu ngo nubucebera DNA
omu Uganda omu na nabwa culture yitu abana binja bitwino mu makagitu tubari babashize abana bitwino mu makagitu tubari bitu konka mwenzi wanchenda wabiro gukora DNA kuza confirming at least results zibarakwereze na washanga abana batari bawe na washanga bariya bawe zibe ziri results ezikire
abo ezokucebera zibe zinobukugu kandi zine ebyoma bishikire konka nyonko omuntu ebe bya DNA tinkuza kubizamu abo kuba ningesiga umukazi wanje n'abana binyine nibabo ebyo byo kushisha obwire bikashise sente.
Omugandi w'omunyishengero ahabwa Katerra County yahereza yo kwetombwita omwishengero ahanshonga y'abashubuzi abanyagira abahinji abavanira na sente z'orukurengo muri miliyoni 300 nekwe kushaba government kubayamba rero nabwanyime enganzi y'ihanga yabyemukiramo nekwe kuragira ebitongore ebyo bushubuzi byona okutaho mu nshonga egi.
Survey Sources Spy Trading Company Limited. Money up to 448,600,000 has not been paid to the growers under the association.
Let me direct the Ministry of Trade and Industry to go ascertain the numbers of the members of our community who have been defrauded and make sure that they are paid and report back to this house.
Amakuru gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza omuri Kampala.